Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you another traffic exchange site that I use to get signups and direct referrals for my other accounts that I have online. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you feel free to leave any comments or any questions in the comment section down below. I'd appreciate it. Okay, now the site is called Hungry for Hits. I've already logged in, and this is a site that has been around since 2016. The owner and admin of the site is Clara Schmitz, I think it's pronounced. Okay, and this site is growing on a daily basis. For instance, new members this week, and the week has not ended yet. Okay, so it's growing on a daily basis, and the reason why I wanted to record a video on this site is because you get quality visitors to your URLs. So that's what I'm focusing on this video, on the surfing page and on the advertising page, because Hungry for Hits has a lot of features which I'm not gonna go through them into only one video. Maybe I will record other videos covering all the features on this site. However, in this video, like I said, I'm covering only the surf page and the advertising page. However, since we are in the home page, which will look alike for everyone, the moment you sign up, which is basically the same procedure as everywhere else, you enter your general details, choose a username, password, etc. And the thing is that you don't even need to click on any link on your email. You don't need to verify with your email that you sign up on Hungry for Hits. Okay, the moment you enter your general details, whatever is required, you're good to go. And this is the home page. Now let's go directly to the surf page. Like I said, I'm not gonna cover all the features here, but let's go to the surf page because I think is very important. Now it's quite simple. You wait until the timer runs to 0, and then you should click on an icon which is the same as the left one here. Okay, and at this time is broccoli. Now if we see here, down here, I have already surfed for today 149 pages. So what happens after you surf 150 pages? You get a prize. Okay, and each day is a different price, and for today the price was 1 cent directly to my account balance, and 50 square banners for advertising my square banners. These are impressions, of course. But how do you get this bonus after surfing 150 pages? Let's go back to the home page. Everyone every day will get a promo code here. Okay, you just copy this, and you go to rewards up here, promo codes, you paste it here, and then you click add. Now I have already used it, so it will give me an error, but to you, if it's the first time that you are logging in to Hungry for Hits for the day, you can use the code and you will get different prices. Okay, so the surfing page on Hungry for Hits is quite unique, because not only you earn advertising credits for surfing, but if you really pay attention, from time to time, in a randomly moving way, some food icons will appear on the screen, moving up and down in a different speed, in a different movement. Okay, and if you are fast enough to click on them wherever they are on the screen, you will get different advertising prices, including cash and piggy bank balance. Now, what is piggy bank balance? Piggy bank balance is cash balance, of course, but you cannot withdraw it. Actually, you can use it only on Hungry for Hits for purchasing different advertising goods, or also for upgrading your membership. Okay, so pay attention also to the banners up here, because from time to time you will notice a banner that doesn't fit as a banner. For example, it will be a blank one, just some colors or some shadows there. Or for example, it will be the last weird banner that I noticed was it had some text here and said, I'm hungry for some garlic bread. Okay, so when you notice banners like this, you just click on them and then a small window will appear here and you will win any prize, including also piggy bank account. Okay, piggy bank balance. Okay, so pay attention to the surfing page. That's why I like this way. I like this way and this site for doing this, because doing this you attract more the attention of any visitor, right? Because I've already won $1.44 on my piggy bank just for surfing. Okay, let me show you account statistics. There, I've won this just for surfing. Okay, and I set a goal to surf every day at least 150 pages. Okay, so pay attention while you're surfing, because you will get different prizes. Also, you will land while surfing, you will land from time to time to a bonus page from Hungry for Hits, where you should click a sandwich or a cheeseburger and you will get different advertising prices, including also piggy bank or cash. Okay, so make sure to pay attention while you're surfing. Now let's go to the advertising page. Now this is let's cover first this new feature, new candy shop. This is where you can use your piggy bank account and you can purchase different advertising goods, or like I said before, you can also use it, if you have enough, you can use it to upgrade your membership. For example, you can for a price of $0.25 you can buy a happy hour. Happy hour is an hour where your credits are boosting for surfing. For example, if you earn 0.5 credits for each page that you surf, 2 times credit boost. It means that you will earn 1 credit for every page that you surf for 30 minutes. And this is $0.25 and will be extracted from your piggy bank balance, not from your balance account. Okay, so this is the page where you advertise. My ads, you can use website direct URLs, banners, square banners, text ads, mini branders, surf bar, social links, and auto site. So let's go to website. It's quite simple actually. You just put a name, the URL, and then you click update the site. Now when you click update the site, you have to wait 5 seconds in order for Hungry for Hits to verify that your URL is valid, is recognizable. Okay, like this. And if it shows, you click on activate your website and you're good to go. And then you can assign credits to each site. As a free member, you can promote only 5 websites. Okay, so let's go to the banners. You just put your image URL and targeted URL here, and then you can assign credits or banner impressions depending on what you have. As of now, I have 15 banner impressions and 13 credits. Okay, but 1 credit is equal to 20 banner ad impressions. Okay, so if you don't have impressions, you can use credits. Okay, text square banners is the same as banners, but the banner here, the image is in a square mode. Okay, it's not like the other banner. Okay, text ads, and this is where your text ads are displayed, are created, sorry. Just a simple text here, something that will attract attention, and your referral link. And the same as banners, you can assign impressions or credits. And here 1 credit is 25 text ad impressions. Okay, mini branders are just like this, as you can see them here. you just put a title, some basic info on what you're promoting, your targeted URL, and the banner URL. And mini branders show displays on the home page. So this is it also for the advertising page. I'm gonna leave this video with that, because like I said, Hungry for Hits has a lot of features and it would be a very long video if I go through them in one video. That's why, like I said, I was thinking to record other videos in the near future covering other features. So thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave any comments down below if you have any questions. I will also leave my referral link for this site. Is absolutely free to join. And yeah, thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'd appreciate it a lot if you share the video. See you in the next one. Cheers.